Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom DTU-1031, and now I'm gonna show you how to separate this display from your normal Windows device display. As you can see, this display now duplicates my my normal Windows display. And to resolve this problem, firstly, we need to open the Windows, then click Settings, then click System, click Displays here, and as you can see, I have three displays. Identify, as you can see, I have three displays, but one of them, wait a while, can't understand how it works. Yes, here I have first display, here I have second and third display, and as you can see on my tablet and on my monitor I have 2/3. It means that these displays are duplicated, and we need to choose it. Scroll down, find here duplicate desktop and click extend desktop. Keep changes. And great, that's it. Now we can move applications. For example, I'll show you it right now. We can move applications to the graphic tablet to use it in normal resolution. So, for example, I want to open Paint and I can move it to the graphic tablet, and in the graphic tablet, without the problems, I can draw without the resolutions troubles. Yeah, so resolution trouble is if you have normal Full HD resolutions on your duplicated screen. It means that in the center your stylus, your cursor will be between the pen, but in the top of the screen or in the other part of the screens, your cursor will not too close with the pen. And this is the trouble what we can resolve choosing these resolutions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.